There's so much power in your subconscious mind, but sadly, most people never use it. Your subconscious mind controls over 95% of the things that your body need to function, like breathing, eating, digestion, storing memory. Sadly, most people don't understand how truly powerful it is. Therefore, they're not operating it. But for me, when I came to understand how powerful my subconscious mind was, my life has never been the same. And I vowed to myself that once I figured it out, I'd be able to give back and share it to other people. So today, I'm going to share the top 5 things that you need to know about your subconscious mind so that you can not only understand it, but can begin to use it to operate in your favor. The first thing I want you to understand is that your subconscious mind takes everything personally. So, for example, if you were to say, oh, I think that rich people are lazy, or I think that rich people are bad or greedy, why would you then in turn be able to call in more money? Because the highest prime directive of your subconscious mind is to keep you safe and to make you right. And so therefore, when you're saying that rich people are bad or greedy, your subconscious mind is not going to lead you to things that allow you to call in wealth. Therefore, understanding this concept, you have to be exceptionally careful about the things that you say about other people, the things that you believe about other people, because your subconscious mind is always listening and picking up on that and taking it super personal. The second thing you need to know is your subconscious mind doesn't register negatives. So therefore, when you're saying those powerful affirmations every single morning and you have any sort of negative word around it, your subconscious mind can't register that. For example, I hear people all the time that will say, I have no debt. Okay, all your subconscious mind heard was debt. So therefore, it's going to be calling in more debt and looking for opportunities for you to highlight that that debt exists. This is why it is so powerful that we're very cognizant of those affirmations that we say to ourselves, because anything you say after the words I am are extremely powerful. But you want to make sure that it's in the positive so that it aligns with what it is that you actually want to call into your life. The third thing that I need you to know, which is probably the most impactful for me, is that your subconscious mind, whatever it holds, is what it's going to be drawn towards. Your subconscious mind is much like a robot, meaning that if you give it something to move or take action on or task it with something, it's going to move in that direction. The trouble is, we do this all the time, but we do it in a way that doesn't align with what it is that we want. Therefore, give your subconscious mind things to hold, embed things in your subconscious mind that is going to move you towards. The next important fact that you should know about your subconscious mind is it never goes to sleep, meaning that it's always working even when you're not. So right here, right now, as I'm talking and sharing this information, my subconscious mind is reminding me to breathe. Thank God. So understanding the power of your subconscious mind never shutting off and always working, give it the things to hold and do that it can work in your favor. For example, when I set goals, I always state them in the here and the now, right? And I don't state it as something in the future because I don't want my subconscious mind to think that it has time to move on. And I want my subconscious mind to take action now. When I was writing my very first book, I would always say, I, Dr. Nicolia, am a best-selling author. And what ended up happening is I started to find opportunities to connect with other people that helped me to make those author dreams come true. I started to have intuitive downloads and ideas to start writing because, again, I was tasking my subconscious mind with something that I wanted to make happen. But I was sort of tricking the system to make it work in my favor. The last fact I have for you today is that your subconscious mind does not know the difference between reality and imagination. This is why visualization is so powerful, because when you give, again, your subconscious mind something to hold, it's going to move towards it. But you want to make it feel so real. So when I imagine myself being a successful coach or being a successful author or whatever the goal is, losing 10 pounds or whatever it may be, I allow my visualization to run wild. I allow my imagination to run wild, and I bring in all of my senses. So what do I see when this happens? What do I hear? What do I smell? What do I taste? What do I touch or feel? I allow myself to really bring in all of my senses to make it feel that much more real. And when that happens, your subconscious mind is automatically going to be drawn towards making that possible for you. Because remember, as stated earlier, your subconscious mind is like a robot. So it's going to take action according to what it is that you're wanting to call into your life. But in order to make that so powerful and to make it real and to manifest it fast, I always say weave in that visualization and you would be mind blown with the results. Getting closer to the hidden aspect of your mind is not dangerous or scary or woo woo or anything like that. It's literally one of the most transformational and healthiest things that you can do. The good news is you don't have to try to wreck your brain to figure out how you can make that possible. I actually have a certification program called the Elevate Method, where I teach you neurolinguistic programming, really understanding the programs and patterns of your mind, emotional freedom techniques, which allow you to tap through different meridian points in your body to ground and balance your energy, time techniques that help you to break chains and sequences where you've had limiting beliefs or negative emotions that are keeping you stuck and stagnant, hypnotherapy that allows you to embed powerful things into your subconscious mind that allows you to align your mind, your life with your success. And I also certify you in life and success coaching so that you can weave all these things together and become a standout coach. If you're wondering what you could potentially do with these different modalities or how you can weave them into the work that you do, I have great news for you. If you use the link in the notes, you'll be able to better understand how you can not only receive this information and begin to change your life, but how you can create a ripple effect and weave this into the work that you do as a standout coach. So using that link in the notes, you'll get access again to a behind the scenes experience of the Elevate Method. It's going to be so life-changing, and the best part is it's totally free. So definitely check out that link, and I can't wait to see you there.